boys and girls, welcome back with a third puzzle in today's newspaper of Friday, July the 9th, 2021. Here in this additional we have two puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzles. I only do 4 of them, and 4 out of 7. And this one will be number 3073. Alright. So, what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means that in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Alright. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Okay. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1's here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Then double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Yeah. Well, this row and that row are almost the same. 0011 0011 1100 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Here we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Okay, and now, okay. Yeah, this column and that column. Empty box. 0011 0011 1100 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. Here we have a 1, this should be an O. Here we have a O, this should be a 1. 4 1's we have in this last row, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Finished in 3 minutes. Alright, great. Binary, I like this one. Very fast to solve. Yeah. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.